mummies! Welcome to today's video. I'm really excited about today's unboxing because it's for a product that a lot of moms have been raving about online. And I personally think that it's gonna be a big game changer to my breast pumping schedule. And this product is none other than the Baby Express Bee-Free Wearable and Portable Breast Pump. And this pump promises you that you can multitask and move around freely while pumping. And it also allows you to pump on the go, whether at office or in the car, because it's discreet, lightweight, and completely wireless. So I think that sounds really amazing because I currently use the Spectra S1 Plus for most of my pumping sessions, and while I find that it's efficient and effective, I essentially am locked to my pump and I can't really move around doing the things that I need to do. So I do dedicate quite a bit of time to just pumping, and I think that with this is gonna allow me to not only attend to baby, I can do a lot of the other things that I couldn't before. So I'm just really excited to try this. So let's unbox it together, shall we? So as you can see from the box, this is the picture of the pump itself. I do think this is the model, and this is the area where you place on your breast. Yeah, it overall looks very small and sleek. And this part here tells you the functions that the pump has. And this says that it has two modes, the stimulation and the expression mode. And it also has a 5 suction power level, which I think is pretty impressive for something that is mobile, lightweight and portable. It also has a built-in battery that allows you to pump anywhere and everywhere because it's built in. It has an anti-backflow system, which then keeps it hygienic and easy to clean because the milk doesn't enter the motor. And lastly, it says that it's made with safe material, food grade PP and silicone, which is really important because this is going to be touching your breast milk, which is then going to be consumed by baby. So food grade material is really important. And the behind tells you what's in the box, which we are going to unbox and explore for ourselves. And yeah, the packaging is very pretty. Let's go! So it comes like this. Oh, everything just fell. And I think that this is the USB charging cable. I am so excited. It's really light. And this is how the unit looks like. I believe this is where the motor is and the battery is. And you have a few buttons here. You have the on and off switch. You have an M, which I think changes the mode for you, and you have the plus and minus, which then allow you to adjust the settings, the speed and the suction, I assume. And I think that this shows you the battery level, and this part here you can open it up to charge, which then that's what the cable is for. So it comes with 2 silicone cups. I think you only need to use one, and they're different sizes. This is 24 mm and this is 27 mm. So depending on your flange size, you can use the one that is suited for yourself. This opens up. This is the cup that I believe contains your breast milk. This is the first time I'm looking at this product, but it's so simple. It has very few parts. It's not complicated at all, so I think it's going to be really easy to use. And then just attach it. I think that this is the part where you place on your breast, and yeah, I love it. It's just it's light, it's simple, and I haven't tried it for myself, but once I do, I'll let you guys know how it works. One box is for one pump, so it's only for one side, and so I got myself another one so that I can pump both simultaneously. And I think double pumps are the best thing, because you don't want to like switch sides and then take up, you know, double the time that's required. So yeah, I am just really excited to get this charged up, and I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna tell you guys how it goes in the chat, and yeah, I'm just really excited because this, I think, it's gonna unlock a lot of possibility. And I wanted to share that I actually have been bringing baby Ellie out for like walks and hikes, and there's one concern that's always bugging me, which is if I'm out for too long and I go for hours without pumping, either I get engorged, or you know, my milk supply drops because my body thinks, okay, I'm not expressing out as much milk, and so it starts to, you know, recalibrate and then reduce the supply. So those are the two things that's really bugging me, and I can't really be freely just out there being with baby and exploring. So I think that if I'm able to pump on the go in the car while driving to a destination, or just anywhere in a cafe or a restaurant, just I can imagine just throwing on a nursing cover, having these in your bra, and just pumping while you're doing other things. I think the fact that it's wireless is just going to be really good for even when using it at home. So I'm gonna be trying out this product, and if you guys have any comments about it, also please do comment in the comment box below. One pump is retailing at $99, so if you want to get 2 pumps, it's gonna cost you about slightly under $200. But there are discount codes out there, and we also have a discount code for you. So if you're keen to try it out for yourself, then you can check out the description box below. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know what I think. See ya! Thanks for watching!